Bismillah. Let's try reading and writing fill in the blanks some practices. The speed of the sound. The temperature and speed of sound. You see here, as the altitude increases, this is the temperature and speed sounds. None. Both decrease until about both. I think both, because both decrease, this decrease is now matching with this until about 37, after which the temperature remains steady. Of course, this collocation, because of the it's impossible for the airplane flying supersonic at high altitude to be slower than a subsonic. Because of what? There is a variation. There is a variety or variation. Because of the variation, the transonic band extends you see this answer you will find where extends with around 10 when the first 2 you extends from 2, because here is 2, okay, when the first supersonic shocks waves actually this one I don't know. Add to, no. Prevent from form on the wing or diverge from the wing. It will be, I think, diverge when the first supersonic shock waves diverge from the wing. No, when the first supersonic waves, I think, shock waves form on the wing. I think like this. Well, let's see. Bismillah. Yes. Yes. Yes, form of the wind. This one I got it from where? Because the formation of something it start to here said has gone supersonic, so it will be from something smaller to bigger. This is why I put form. From this, from because of the 2 here, these 2 I got it from here. Variation, correct. Alhamdulillah. Let's try another one. It would be hard, this one. It's big. Research demonstrate the facial expression. The current research investigated the reverse effect. The reverse chance can social perception and facial expression. The reverse what ba? The current research investigates the reverse chance can social perception influence facial expression. Not opportunity, and I don't think likelihood or possibility. I don't know this one. Let's move on. We examine the social tags that it is associated with us early in life, our given name, producing a face name matching effect. think whereby in 8 studies we demonstrate the existence of the face. We replicate the effect in 2 countries and find that it extends beyond the limits of beyond the limits of we also find the effect using computer-based paradigm and 94,000 faces in our exploration of underlying. We show that existing name stereotypes will use affected occurrence is culture dependent, a self-fulfilling self-fulfilling what? Prophecy? No. I think observation. Are controlled by individual are sufficient. I think this is a reverse likelihood. Maybe it is likelihood because I think likelihood means possibility doesn't catch opportunity and chance, because possibility, opportunity, chance, I think all almost the same. Let's see. Oops, likelihood. Let's see. Possibility. It is possibility, the reverse possibility. Cancel, because this is a possible thing. Maybe yes, it is correct. Observation, a self-fulfilling observation. This is why observation is wrong. Prophecy. Prophecy means something will happen in the future, especially 1 minute. Okay, so prophecy. Okay everyone, thank you for watching.